Keep cleaning. Okay. Can you sweep the floors? Can you sweep the floors for me? Yeah, sweep the floors. We don't need the couch swept. Bo, sweep the floors. Are you gonna sweep, dust the wine rack? Thank you. You done? No? I'm gonna sweep in there. In the pantry, you're gonna sweep? Are you gonna vacuum now? Oh, vacuum. Good job. You can fire the housekeeper now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Watch your fingers. That's gonna hurt. Bye-bye.